To claim a free gift on Temu, start by opening the Temu app or website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the required information. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Temu homepage and look for the free gift section, usually found at the top or bottom of the page. Click on the free gift icon to view the available gifts. Browse through the list of free gifts and select the one you want to claim. Read the gift details, including the gift name, description, and any conditions that must be met to receive the gift. To claim your free gift, click the Claim button next to the gift you have chosen. You will then be required to fill out a short survey or complete a specific task, such as following the Temu social media page or referring a friend. After completing the task, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully claimed your free gift. The gift will then be added to your Temu account, and you can find it in the My Gifts section. To receive your free gift, you may need to pay a small shipping fee, which will be clearly indicated on the gift details page. If the gift is digital, you can access it immediately after claiming it. It is essential to note that free gifts on Temu are limited, and availability may vary depending on your location. Always check the terms and conditions of each gift to ensure you understand what is required to claim and receive it. By following these steps, you can easily claim a free gift on Temu and enjoy the benefits of being a Temu user. Remember to always check the Temu website or app for new and exciting free gifts, and take advantage of this opportunity to get something for free.